In order to save time, you can use presets, and one of the presets types that you can actually bring in are title presets. So to do that, you need to go around on the T icon right here, and I'm over here in the quick view, and here you can see that there's different titles that you can bring in. For example, there's the outdoor label title right here. You can simply go around and bring this in right here, and then what you can see is you can see that this is the title that you have right here. You can go around over here and make minor tweaks to it as well. Like you can go around and resize this out right here and so forth. Then you can go around over here on the text, and you can go around and type in as well, just like this, to replace out the text. For example, you can go around and then type in keep on learning over here as well. And this is what you have. The overall title is replaced out. Similarly, you can go around and bring in different titles, like there's the animated ones as well. So if I were to go around and bring in, let's say, for example, this one right here, just like this, then this is your text here, right here. And you can see that this is the animated title right here. So I'm just going to go around over here, and in your text, I'm going to type in TutorTube, and then over here in here. So let's just go around and select it. I'm going to go around and say keep on learning right here. And this is what you have. This is animated. So let me just go around, keep my timeline cursor over here, press the play button right here, and you can see that this is what you have right here. And this is all presets. You're just replacing out the content, as you can see right here. And there's different sort of title presets, as you can see right here. Like there's motion titles, there's classic titles right here, like the slideshow and so forth. There's fun titles, as you can see right here, that you can go around and bring in and edit it in similar way. And that is how you can bring in title presets inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe